Okay, what this next contraption does is take our piece that we made, I have it mounted on here right now, and makes this shape here, kind of like this. It ain't gonna make it perfect, it's just gonna get it in shape to put sandpaper and use sandpaper and shape it by hand. How that works is it mounts here, and this has a wheel that makes it do this. And over the top of this, there's this box. And I have screws in it, hold it in place, and it has to be measured right for the distance where it wants to cut here. So I have this. This is a hand router. It's basically the last machine that had the bit like this coming up out of the table. There's a big motor like this right underneath that table. So this is a small hand router. And what I do is I get it the depth that I want it set, and I just slide it like that. And as I'm doing it, I turn it like this until I get it cut down to where I need it. I go a little at a time. Don't go big all at once, just a little at each until you get it looking right. Then take it to a sandpaper or drum sander and finish it up from there. So that's what I gotta do. I gotta set this up and then run that. So now I got everything set up. I'll show a little bit of cutting, and I'll be checking, make sure I don't go too deep. First I gotta get the depth of this. It's barely touching now, so I think I'm okay. Let's see, I gotta plug it in. This small pass here, I might not even be touching the wood when I do this, so we will see here. That needs to go over here. Short side, this has to be this side to the short side, and see what happens here. It's supposed to hearing protection, I always forget. Okay, always let your machinery stop. Make sure that everything looks like it's straight down through here, that it's cutting even on both sides. And on the marks I need them to. Yeah, so far looking good, I'd say. So now I gotta adjust it down another notch. Not too much. Yeah, I just keep doing that over and over again until I get it to looking like I want it. So no, I'm not going to force you to watch all that.